And I just want to show you how crazy this rain is. What's happening right now? It's like insane. Oh my gosh, hon, take a look. Look at that. I don't know if you can see the rain. Oh yeah, yep, I can see. Oh my gosh, man. Oh my gosh. I'm literally like zooming in on my backyard. Oh my gosh. That's crazy right now. And my scooter was like right there, so I had to just like run outside and I bring it. This is what it looks like. So like I had to like bring it in here, go outside. I had to go outside like in my hand. I went on the dry part, so I just like reached my hand out, and like had to like grab like this right here. So I was like, and then I bring it in. So it's like free. It's like you can see it's like really wet. It's like wet as heck. It's like it's super wet. Like if you squeeze it. Yeah. So don't stop yet. Really went raining out in my front yard. Go look at the front yard. It's real. Looks like it's calm, but oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, man. It's like really super rainy out. Oh, I heard some thunder. I feel super bad. Whoever's like homeless outside. Oh my gosh. I feel super bad for like everybody. No, thank you right now. Not right now. So I feel okay. I feel bad. Whoever is outside right now, whoever's homeless, I just feel so bad. Like, oh my gosh. Well, yeah. That was the video. See ya. Just one more look, guys. One more look. Okay, bye.